Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to draw a peacock. So first, we'll need to draw a shape like this, and the neck coming up here, and then the bill. Right there, and then a curve right there, and then we'll need to do that kind of shape. And three things like this. All peacocks have them. Now we can draw the eyes. Color in the black spot. And then start with the fan. We need to do one coming down. They have a lot of these things, like there's a big thing coming out, like a ginormous feather. It's very big. We always have to do curves. That's how peacocks are. And then there, and there. Perfect, we got our peacock. Now we need to draw a circle on each one. And here, a little curve there. And we're almost done, wow. Now let's draw a shape like this, and one more like this. And another shape like this. And then there. And then we can do one more time. Perfect. And we can do it on all sides. Or you can do it on the downside. And then we'll do it on the other one. This will take time, but I'm sure we can do it. Try to do it slow. It's going to take lots of time. And here we only have to do half, so no worries. Wow. Now we can get some of our color ones. First, we need to do a line. So, right here, we're going to pull out a line. And now we can take and start coloring that part right there. Here. Looks like feathers. And then we're going to do it right here. Wow. And then on the other side. And we can do that on all feathers. We need to be careful here. That looks good. And now we can color in this spot and this spot. And then we can color the other spot. And then we're going to color this spot orange. And this spot green. And then we can do it on all sides. But before, we'll need to do the antenna. There's 3 of them. Like that, and that, and one right here. That one doesn't look too good. But we can maybe do another. And then we'll need to take some yellow for the beak and color it in. Then get our black and outline the beak. The shape is a triangle. Line. Now let's color in our eye and do a circle around it. That looks good. Let's keep on doing lines everywhere first, so it'll be easy. You could also call them peafowls, but I call them peacocks. Wow. And then we can do that on all sides. We did it on that side, and now the other one. We did 3, but we need more. This peacock's very realistic because of the colors, maybe. I'm not sure. But write the next animal you want to learn how to draw. I'm going to pick 5. We colored one side. Wow. Now we're going to do the other. Wow. This is more realistic than I thought. Coloring is very hard. But it's going to get easier. We're almost there. We just need to color in the peacock. Wow, that looks great. But we need to do it on everyone. We should use the other colors we have now. We need to remember every color. I can remember just by the other one. Right over there. Now we need to do the light blue for the circle. And then we need the green. And then we can color in the peacock right here. We'll need to first do it blue. And then we can add some feathers onto the peacock. And then you can start doing feathers like this. And then we can use some crayon. Wow. And then you can add the sun if you want, or the sky, or something like that. But that's how it turned out. And bye-bye. And this is how we draw Peacock.